mamili sa Dicey Japan. Ayan.
Sagi. Ayan. Namalengke po.
Hindi ba siya, hindi niya alam eh. Ayan, ganyan po kami dito. Mga hello, mga kalab! Shoutout naman! Hello, good evening sa inyong lahat!
Kabayan.
Hello, good evening! Ayan, dumating na siya. Kalalabas lang niya galing sa office. Tapos, nagkasundo kami na dito na lang kami mag-meet sa Corniche. Yan.
Cornish.
Corniche?
Cornish.
Corniche Park.
Kabayan
Yan.
Cornish.
Sobrang init.
Coconut.
Coconut drink. Kain po tayo, shawarma, video.
Mountain Dew.
Oh. Sige na. Kain tayo, shawarma guys. Ito na yung dinner namin nila eh.
Dinner.
Wait na baby, because I think you have water.
Basket sport.
Ah. Yeah. Because I wait you. The best talaga yung shawarma dito sa Middle East. Huwag ko mag-go.
Before running water was here. Police.
Yeah. Maybe. You know, at first, it's down here.
Nobody. Everybody work there. I see a keyboard. See that building? That one.
Yeah.
That's Al Farham. This is right side.
Ah.
From there, metro station is 40 foot. 5 meter distance.
Vegetable.
Luxury.
This one is what? This one is ano? Yung Baybay restaurant. Before sa?
First time. Upstairs.
Oh. Yeah, I know.
Kaya iPad to view ah.
Ha?
Kaya iPad to view. Now this will not 3Q or not. This slip only card. Before print out. That no, not only recharge card.
Oh. Wow. Hindi kasi kami nakabili ng tubig kaya magkano? How much?
Real lens 1 piece.
That is meant to be. Yeah.
It is 5 real.
No, not so much. How much, brother? Oh, bang yan?
Ah,
No, give me that time. Because too much, ano, sorry na. Ah, sorry na. Rupees. Oh. A little biscuit of too much. Ano? Yeah, the parts was not.
Saba, be careful, she will compliment this. No plastic. That's the foods.
You give man, you give money. Nothing to me. Hindi mo eat na?
Nice work. Hungry. Eat the hummus also. One bite more.
No.
Enough?
I know you don't like to eat. That's why you give me some.
No. Because I'm hungry.
Give all.
Oh. Also. Little. One bite. One.
I don't. Ganito lang po kami dito, guys. Dito kakain, tapos konting kwentuhan, tapos uuwi na. Ganun lang.
Pusa. Pusa. What is
May pusa daw sa tabi niya. May tip, ano,
something stuck?
pasta sa remove. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Filling. Like this there.
Yeah, have pasta inside sa and then remove.
Ah.
Itself remove.
How
I
many-
know,
how many years?
Because I eat
How many years this you got?
maybe 5 years. 3 to 5 years.
5 years. We have 6 years. Now it will be.
Yeah,
Okay.
here years. 150.
How much can it?
150.
How much? Even
Nah.
card?
Mafi in Hamad. Here in the...
Private.
Before I go in Lulu, in Carapa.
Big
Near,
Lulu.
near Hebder, inside the ano? Estan Mall. Inside Estan Mall. But expensive. 150. why. Hindi masyadong mahangin ngayon, pero scary lang. Masaya na kami pag ganito lang. Minsan, sa isang buwan, matambay kami sa park. Masaya.
Hot too much.
Not too much, baby.
They don't know. Not enough, huh? You buy big?
Oh, it's cool. May pusa kasi kami kasama. After namin kumain, maglalakad-lakad kami. Yun nga.
Don't go like I give up.
Why you pull na yun?
Hmm?
Why you pull?
Send to you, I call. Really? You're not in anything. Cool. You got water also. Halal.
See you later, guys. Bye. Say bye-bye na.
Okay, bye. Good evening. That's boys.
Baba niya po yung laptop. Nakikita niyo ba, guys? Ginagawa niya yung laptop. Tignan natin kung magagawa niya. Hindi na kami maglalakad-lakad, nakakapagod. Sana mag-start na yung laptop.
Ito maliit problem.
Maliit lang daw yung problema. Mapapa-start niya daw yan. Sana nga. Sana nga, baby.
Kabayan, kamusta ko?
Kamusta daw?
Magandang
Gabi.
gabi. Dito Qatar, magandang gabi. Magandang good night.
Good night, Philippines.
Dito midnight Philippines. Qatar evening. Dinner time.
Yan. Tignan natin kung sana gumana na yung laptop. Pag hindi daw gumana, dadalhin niya bukas sa opisina niya. Nainitan siya.
Malaki hot.
Malaki. Sobrang init kasi. Yan. Ang ganda dito, guys.